So
Hi guys, it's me, Jaden, just making this video to show you how to do the duplication glitch on Minecraft. That's Proxy 60. All you do is grab a couple furnaces, a pickaxe, and anything else. Then you stand on top of the furnace, break it, and right before it's about to break, switch it to anything. You could do it to your hand, and just break it until it does that little bling thing. Jump off of it, go into it, go to the fuel, and what you want to duplicate, hold A, and it should duplicate. If it doesn't, just try it a couple times. Thanks, likes, and subscribe down there.